back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job leads video for you. Today's video, I have several different job leads. I have part-time job leads, and if you stay with me to the end, I do have an international job lead that is hiring completely worldwide. So they are hiring for the United States, but they're hiring in any other country as well. Now, I suggest if you live in a developed country like Canada, the United States, South Africa, Europe, Italy, all of those places, that you skip the one at the end. It is going to be more for my international viewers that are in lower cost of living and lower income areas, because they are paying on the low end. And it's just simply not enough money if you live in a developed country to live off of. However, with that being said, if you're in the United States or something and you're under some kind of income restrictions that you can earn, like you're on disability or Social Security, and you can still work and make extra money, but you have a cap on what you can make. Some retirement plans, I think, have caps on what you can work and make. Maybe it's for you. But with that being said, we're going to quit wasting any time. We're going to dive on in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please give me that feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But let's just get started. First up, we have the company Fanatics. Now, Fanatics has over 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring a customer support associate. Now, this one is going to be remote for the United States only. But Fanatics is building a leading global digital sports platform. They have passions for global sports fans and maximizing the presence and reach for hundreds of sports partners. But they're basically looking for somebody to do basic customer service. You're going to liaison between the Fanatics collectibles and the consumers by supporting all the inquiries and issues that they have. You're going to give model exemplary service through telephone, email, and direct mail channels. You're going to delight the customers. You're going to apply good judgment on a case-by-case basis, expediting any resolutions, and following up with the customers to ensure their satisfaction. So you'll be building and maintaining these relationships with the repeat customers, keeping them loyal to the brand, developing a knowledge of the Fanatics collectibles product portfolio and release calendar so you can help those customers get exactly what they want. No college degree is needed for this, just a positive, consumer-minded individual, someone who has general knowledge of trading cards or the collectibles industry, great attention to detail, great communication skills, the ability to multitask, and again, in today's world, most jobs are going to require proficiency in those Microsoft Office systems like Word and Excel. Now, they are paying anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour for this position. Next up, we have the retail store William-Sonoma hiring a customer service representative. This is going to be a full-time seasonal position, and it is a work from home. We've had this conversation over quite a few videos that I've posted over the last few weeks. Now is the time that all of these retail stores are hiring seasonal customer service representatives. Of course, Williams-Sonoma offers a 40% discount on all of their merchandise if you do work for them. They do offer monthly performance bonuses of up to $500, but the pay for this position is $15 an hour. But hey, you make less than that sometimes working in fast food restaurants, depending on the cost of living in the area that you live in. So you can sit at home in your pajamas and just talk on the phone. But they are looking for somebody to do that basic customer service, addressing customer questions, concerns regarding products, and delivery information. You're going to provide them product information, review alternative solutions if an item is out of stock, and place orders for the customers. So maybe they're looking for a specific Keurig coffee pot, and that one's not in stock to be ordered. Maybe you'll suggest a different model. You'll successfully negotiate and appease customers using a variety of methods. You'll be checking inventory, processing returns, issuing replacements, credits for damaged and defective merchandise. Now, no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 2 years of previous customer service experience, and they want somebody who has experience in a performance-based or metrics-driven environment. So someone who has been graded on productivity or production before, meaning you answer so many calls in an hour, so many calls in a day, things like that. Now, they all are offering paid training. You'll have 4 weeks of paid training, and it does look like you have to have your own computer for this position. Moving right along, if you have ever seen commercials for web design, you might have heard of GoDaddy, or if you're a NASCAR fan, there's a GoDaddy car. But GoDaddy is hiring an inbound sales representative for their website and security division. Again, this is remote for the United States. However, they do have a few state restrictions. It says this position cannot be performed in Alaska, California, Colorado, Louisiana, Massachusetts, Mississippi, New Jersey, New York, North Dakota, Oregon, or the Virgin Islands. So unfortunately, if you live in one of those places, this is not for you. But they're looking for somebody to help their sales and support consultants and assist the customers with every venture, no matter how big or small, every step of the way. Website and security sales and dual purpose, dedicated to supporting their customers with their hosting and security needs. So not only do you sign up for web hosting, but then you need to keep your website secure. You need to keep hackers away. So you're going to be part of a team for the dedicated sales and support geared towards ensuring that all hosting customers get the product suite they need. So on top of selling them the hosting, you need to be able to sell them additional security features that are like add-ons that you have to pay for separately. You'll provide assistance to customers with these purchases, any technical issues they have once they purchase the product or service, and any other general questions and concerns that they have. You'll thoroughly review all customer accounts, seeking out those sales opportunities to help them be more successful, and suggest upgrading their hosting services, adding on those products and things like that. They are looking for somebody who has 3 years of sales experience, someone who can understand customers' needs. They do prefer somebody who has experience in some kind of commission or bonus-based environment, somebody who can work in a dynamic, changing environment, so adaptable to change, and someone who can multitask and work with multiple computer screens. Now, this position is paying $15 an hour, and of course, you get bonuses on top of that. But if you're interested in a part-time position, Conduent is hiring a remote part-time customer service representative. This says it is remote for the United States. Now, Conduent is starting out at $16 an hour. No weekends. They're offering paid training. Training is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday, and that's going to be the same shift that you work. So it's a little bit of an off shift. It's not 8 to 5. So make sure you're available for that shift. You do have to be at least 18 years or older, have a high school diploma or GED, and pass a pre-employment screening. But above that, they don't really require a lot of experience or anything, just basic understanding of call center customer support, the ability to maintain effective working relationships with your coworkers, and someone who can be a problem solver. Now, you will be doing basic customer service. You're going to act as a point of contact for inquiries for potential and existing New Jersey family care beneficiaries. So you're going to be doing customer support for a healthcare facility. You're going to be helping those community-based organizations related to the New Jersey Family Care Plan program. You'll accurately assist with documenting enrollment requests, status changes, complaints, and grievances, and maintaining any technical and program policy efficiency. So you're going to have to keep yourself up to date with the rules and guidelines for the state. I'm trying to keep this video moving, so we will just move right on along. If you are looking for healthcare customer service, Cardinal Health might be for you. They're hiring a customer care representative. This is remote. Now, again, this is going to be a healthcare position. You're going to help qualified candidates and be responsible for providing customer assistance for order placement, product information, order status, order discrepancies, and other customer complaints, answering 60 to 80 incoming calls per day. These calls are going to be from customers, caregivers, or federal sources regarding different medical supplies. So you need to have the ability to handle those high call volumes. You'll process orders for new and existing customers, collecting any information you need to do insurance billing or collecting a payment. You'll operate the company provided hardware, so they're going to give you a computer that you need to navigate multiple computer screens at the same time, and you'll interpret the meaning of different insurance and terminology plans and document all of your actions in the system. Now, new hire training, they're going to provide training for you is Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Outside of that employees are required to have flexible work or any of their shifts. They have multiple shifts available. 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday is when they are open, and then 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday. So you need to have flexibility to work different shifts within those time frames. But no college degree is needed, just a high school diploma or GED, 2 to 4 years experience in some kind of call center or customer service. Of course, you got to have that Microsoft Office knowledge and be customer service focused. You've got to be able to go above, or willing rather, to go above and beyond for the customer. And last but not least, if you are one of my international viewers, the company Eneba, I could not find much information on this company. They're hiring a customer support specialist. It says in Spanish, but then down below it says you have to have great English. So I'm not really sure if you have to be bilingual or not. They don't really specify. But this is going to be a non-phone customer service position. They are looking for somebody to provide world-class customer service experience through email, live chat, and social media. You're going to ensure a seamless transaction process through their marketplace. So they have like an online marketplace that they run at all times, driving customer resolution of all of their issues, resulting in customer satisfaction and retention. And of course, you're going to maintain and improve your team's customer service metrics by collaborating and problem solving. Now, what they're requiring is 1 year of experience providing support through email, phone, live chat, bots, or social media. So any kind of a customer support. You've got to have the ability to support users in verbal and written English. So I'm not really sure where the Spanish part came from up at the top. You've got to have clear and timely communication and be able to prioritize. They also want somebody who can work some late nights and weekends. Now, this is why I said they are hiring worldwide, but this is why I said it's probably more for my international viewers that are outside of developed countries. They are paying in British pounds, it looks like, but it says 12,960 pounds all the way up to 16,800 pounds, and that says per year. For the United States, I think the going rate right now is $1.20 to like $1.22 per British pound. So it'll be a little bit more when converted to US dollars, but not much more. All right, I'm just trying to do more to include my international viewers. I know my channel is very United States focused because that is where my expertise lies. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Of course, always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button. That does give me that direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.